right, so they pile them up after the first corner. Looks like Hall is going to drop all the way back to the 11th position. Wow, and they wad him up over that center double. Calvert getting a workout. That's going to drop your number 2 qualifier, Cody Hollis, all the way down to the 12th spot now. Down the straightaway, your leader is going to be, who is this? Doug Yunker. He's got a huge lead already. Bennett sitting 3.8 back. Then it's Crossan, Newberg, Blanchett, Cook, O'Brien, Wassick, Guthrie, Chappell, Hollis, and Camber. '92 Marshalls run after Cody Hollis' truck. There's Yunker across the line, 31.9. Bennett going 32.4, sitting 4 seconds back. And then it's another 2.5 seconds back to Newberg. Battle right now is for the 4th spot. We got 3 trucks hooked up together going over that double, then the tabletop, and up the hill. 1:35 in, 4:25 to go. Here's Yunker again, blue, red, and white truck. Going 33.2 that time by. Newberg crossing the line, sitting 6.5 seconds behind Yunker. Newberg and Bennett separated by 1.3. Yunker way out in front. He did win A-Main number 1. So trying to seal it in 2. Second place finisher in A-Main number 1 was Cody Hollis, and he is running at the back right now, sitting in 12th. Oh, and he gets around a pileup of 4 cars, so that's going to move him up pretty far. And another one in the wall, that's going to move Hollis up to 7th in 1 lap. Meanwhile, Yunker's checking out. Last time across the line, 9 seconds ahead of Newberg. Yunker going 30.7 that time by, fastest lap of the race. Here comes Newberg and Bennett, 10 seconds back. 3 and 3 to go, halfway point. Race number 25 on the track, 26 up next. And here comes the battle for second between Newberg, Bennett, and Cook. Newberg breaking down. Didn't see it happen, but heard the aftermath. Yeah, keep that one away from the line. So that's going to move Bennett up into 2nd. Cook into 3rd. Here he is across the line, going 33.1. Might be slowing it down a little bit just to make sure he stays in one piece. Nah, who does that? All right, less than a minute to go. Yunker's lead, 13.5 seconds. So the battle right now is going to be for 2nd. Cook's going to have to strap it up. He's sitting 3 seconds behind Bennett. Bennett running 2nd, Cook 3rd, then Blanchett. Your leader going through that 5-pack, up the hill, down the hill, over the roller. Oh, finds his way into an upside-down truck. Keeps it one piece, keeps going. Less than 10 seconds, he's going to cross the line and get by for one more. 5 seconds, drivers. And that is time. Everybody keep going. As soon as you cross the line, you will be done. So Doug Yunker across the line, the 2009 Aurora SuperStock National Champion. All right, everybody is done. Let's get them shut down. All those trucks to the back table. Yunker